Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's Wednesday, July 28th, I think, 27th, somewhere around there. And, well, not going to Sturgis this year. Why? Because I decided to do the adult thing and said, well, can't afford it, so we're staying here. And, I don't know, Jen says she has something planned. So, evidently I'm being kidnapped today. So, if you don't see me after today, then call 911 on her. Her address is, no, never mind. Anyway, yeah, so not sure where we're going, not sure what we're doing yet, but if I'm still alive, I guess you'll see, unless my camera gets hijacked and, I don't know, maybe held for ransom. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, why don't we roll the intro, and I think we're going to go somewhere for breakfast quick, and you'll see where we're going, even though I have no clue where.
He's riding down the street on a bike, hope you get it. Pops a wheelie with his feet, yes, it's our biker medic.
Okay, I'm still alive. So first stop is Eccentric Cafe in Waconia. Jen keeps saying she knows the people that run this place, so gotta go get some breakfast here. So, and like I said, I'm still alive, so I'm gonna go in here and eat if I'm still living. So let's go eat. Alright, I'm actually learning how to show food, so I get the 2-egg combo. Over easy, bacon, hash browns, toast. Jen got crepes. I guess she thinks she's in France today, so some strawberry, bacon, whatever, crepes. How is it?
Good.
You eating already? We were taking a bite. I haven't taken a bite of mine yet. But we're gonna eat. Alright, cute little place here. The counter. Little Christmas village sit up here. Wow, holy mackerel. Oh, cute, they got their little restaurant right there. Very cool. Golf shop. It's like Waconia, all set up here. Very cool place. Very cool place called Eccentric in Waconia, Minnesota. Get here, say hi to the owners, Brian and Cindy, really good people. Hey, and tell them, hey, me and Jen sent you. They'll treat you right. All right, full bellies off to I don't know where. So, well, for you it'll be like me a matter of seconds. For me, who knows how long it's going to be. So, I'm at the mercy of this one. So, see where we get. Okay, some of y'all might recognize this place. Some of y'all may not. World's largest candy store. So we're headed south on 169, and I know I brushed y'all in here before, but guess what? I'll bring y'all in again. But any kind of candy you can imagine, they have it here. So why don't we go in again and check out what kind of candy we can buy today. All right, we already found some stuff. High-tech redneck. I got you that, baby. Oh yeah. And I got you another pickle too there, buddy. Kosher dill. It says zesty garlic flavor. So now I got you 3 of these pickles there, high-tech redneck. So better be happy.
You don't have any money left for vacation after this. Cash on
Get one of those.
Look, asparagus.
Yuck. Why do they put that on a pizza? Anyways, like I say, you've all been here before with me. Keeps going and going and going. You know, you say any kind of candy, hot dogs in here, different spices, dips. Chocolate potato chips. Yeah, we are in the bite today. It's a little hot, so whatever we get, it hopefully doesn't have chocolate in it. Otherwise, she'll be eating all the chocolate before we get to where we're going. Anybody remember these things? Ice cube chocolates? I didn't know they had these, but I think my grandma and grandpa always had the ice cube chocolates at their house. Chiclets.
What's chiclets?
Over here. Anybody else do that too? You use chiclets as teeth?
We were going to not help you out.
Here we are in the Marvel room, I call it. I don't know what you call this, but Millennium Falcon going up and down right there. Oh, the Death Star. Cotton candy, getting some for Jake, her son. He's got allergies, so giving him some cotton candy. And we got Lay's chips from China. Is that like beet flavored? Anybody? Beet? I can't read that, but looks like beet and lime. Beet and coconut? I don't know. I can't read that. And we got oh, tomato flavor. Okay, that's what it is. It doesn't, I can't read it.
Have you ever spun?
Tomato flavor. Woo! That looks like. I'm not sure.
Okay, you guys stay here. Hey. That's somebody else. Why are you going backwards? Let's go this way.
Mama's going to meet us back here.
Hey, dude. Yeah. That's E.T.
Okay, we made it to our destination. We're in Austin, Minnesota. And those of you from Minnesota, guess where I'm at. And for those of you that don't know Minnesota that well, I'm going to show you where we're at. So Jen picked the Spam Museum. So instead of going to Sturgis, we're out doing a little Minnesota tour. So here we go. My first time here, and I'm from Minnesota all my life. So why don't we go check out the Spam Museum? They close at 5. And so it gives us about an hour and 15 minutes to check out the Spam Museum. And look at all that Spam. It says over 10 varieties of Spam. Ooh, teriyaki Spam. I did not know there was a teriyaki Spam.
Hot and spicy.
Spicy, kind of like me.
Definitely like me.
I think that's all
We
recipes.
get recipes here.
What is
It's
that?
like flatbread Spam, babe.
That looks good.
We have one more try to come in. Somebody dropped, so we're making it at the store and we'll have it.
There we go.
So there's a self-guided tour here for all those hormonal foods, all the brands that they make. And it looks like they got a spam cycle.
It runs on bacon grease.
Okay, I guess this thing runs on bacon grease is what Jen says. I don't know. Oh, actually, here it is right there. Bacon alone. So it's a bacon Davidson?
Oh, over here. There's the sign.
I'll try to zoom in for it. I don't know.
So check out the QR code.
There you go. Check out the QR code too. How would that work if you scan or not on YouTube? There you go. Spam catapult. So I guess you could catapult spam into your mouth?
Can we try it?
Maybe. We could, I guess. Spam toys. Okay, I don't know what she's doing. What'd you do? Lend a hand. Hoist to create a spam.
Huh? Look
Family
at
or
that.
product.
I
Get
can
a
do it.
free.
Look how strong I am.
Wow. I can do it with one hand.
See that
probably.
muscles?
Yeah. Where? Can you show them?
Really, one hand. Okay. Screw you.
Yeah, I'm going this way. I don't know where I'm going. Well, now we're in Hawaii. Hawaiian spam. Different countries of spam, I guess. I don't know. What that looks like.
Oh, and swiping.
I'm going to swipe. Swipe or no swiping? Oh, aloha. It's broken.
You broke it.
Oh wow, guess we don't get to see what it says. A spam apple. Oh, konnichiwa. Oh, China. Spam in China. Look, they put spam in their faux chow. Their food. Korea. And you put spam in a wok. Oh. I don't hear any audio.
Maybe it's that.
Oh, look at what we're frying up the spam. Spam in the Philippines.
Look. See? You get a gift of spam, babe.
Oh. I don't hear any audio, but okay. I think these things are broken. The flying pig. All this stuff's made of spam. Don't know what it is, but that looks really good. Spam and avocado and spam sushi. Spam sheet. Spam sushi. Oh, look at the little spam guy. Oh, it's a spam shack.
Oh, might have to do our picture.
Might have to. All right, selfie time. Okay, after the spam museum, since it kind of made us hungry, we're here at Dusty's Bar and Lounge. I had to look back at it. I couldn't remember what it was called. And Jen's already there. We were already inside, but I forgot my camera, so had to run and get the camera. But yeah. Anyways, a little view of, I think it's downtown Austin, Minnesota. So you know who lives here, though? I don't know if you watch them, but everybody should. Touring Midwest. So hey, Andrew, what's going on? If you're watching this, I don't know if you are, but we're inside your city. Yes. So seems like a lot of places are closed, but cool little downtown area. Anyways, why don't we go back inside and see what Dusty's has to offer. Alright, we're inside Dusty's. It's kind of like a loungy feel. But these looks like lounge chairs. They're very loungy.
70s.
Kind of a 70s, or like an old, I don't know. Love the brick here. Very cool color walls. Look at the door, too, coming into this place. Kind of like a mob place. I can imagine like a mob hanging out here, like, I don't know, like the Sopranos hanging out here.
Okay, maybe.
You know?
Maybe.
I could.
I think it's more 70s,
And
though.
Jen got some kind of Cider Boys pineapple apple pen. So let's try her. Oh, battery's dying. Ooh, that's refreshing.
Well, I was on time.
I suggest. Oh, that's really good. I could get drunk off of that really quick. But then I got the old standby Mick Golden Light. But hey, before my battery died, let's change batteries. We got food. We got the macaroni and cheese with Spam flatbread. And Jen's already taken a bite. She's already ahead of me here. Looks very hot. You can see the steam come out of it.
Oh,
Fly.
get away.
See the flatbread. Everybody must be good. She hasn't done it yet, so let's try a bite. So it's mac and cheese, Spam, and bacon. Hot.
Oh yeah, it's
Oh my
hot.
God. Thanks for telling me that. Okay, I just burned myself.
You just said there was steam.
Okay, good stuff. Come here, get up. All right, we're gonna eat and hit the road. Good morning, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. Another adventure on the bike. It's Thursday. Not quite sure where we're gonna head out, but Jen is inside, I think, locking up the dog, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's supposed to be locking up the dog. Anyways, where we leave off yesterday, I don't even know. I don't remember. I think we left off at that lounge down in I know the name of the town, Austin, Minnesota. I think we left off there. I'm not really sure, but anyways, why don't we see what today's adventures get us into? So we will see you wherever we end up. All right, so today was my day to lead just for a little bit. And I took Jen somewhere. She said she'd never been to before, but this is a little place I passed by years ago. And I stopped. I was like, what is this place? And it's just such beauty. I couldn't just not pass by it and go, hey, let's turn around and go back. So we're at a place called Nuremberg Memorial Gardens here. And it's just this, well, I'll just show you because Jen will see here in a little bit. So anyways, we're going to go here and I'll tell you more of the story here in a little bit. So this has to be one of my most favorite things about this place. It's a gazebo. I should have taken a picture from the or video from the outside, but anyways, I guess the reason why this is my most favorite place because they used to have chairs here. And you got to bring your own chairs, but it overlooks Lake Minnetonka, and you could probably sit in a chair forever and just lose your thoughts here. And especially today, with it being nice and breezy and kind of cool. And over there, you probably, I know you can't see it, but over there, that's why is that a country club? The water's really clear today. Any fish down there?
Mm-hmm. There's a few little ones.
Maybe little ones down there?
Little minnows.
Anyways. Oh yeah, there's some fishies down there. Little minnows, little fishies out there. So yes, different flowers everywhere. Mr. Bumblebee. Mr. Bumblebees, I should say. Just a very serene spot to kind of come and lose yourself. Got the barn swallows. Perfect day, gorgeous breeze, nice cumulus nimbus, whatever those clouds are called. Just out enjoying the day. All right, we haven't eaten anything, so we're here at the Uptown in Waverly. I've been drunk here many times with Courtney and Linda. So I don't know if either of you watch my channel, but we're here during the day actually, and we're gonna go get something to eat. And her ex-sister-in-law says it's good food, so we'll be the judge of that. All right, here we are at the Uptown. Uptown? The Uptown. in Waverly. Great ends here. Bartender, waitress, chicken, really, really busy. But Jen got the ham and cheese. I made that for her at home for like $2. And then me, I ordered a Rachel, but right out of Reuben. That's okay. So far, fries are really, really good. And the waffle fries.
They're good.
Are they? That's good. And of course, well, long day of bike ride, we gotta have a Bud Light.
Or a Reds.
No Reds. Yuck. But very cool atmosphere. I've been drinking here many times, like I said, but we'll see how the Reuben is. All right, here we are, day drinking. Oh crap! Oh, careful! That seat goes by. Wow, I wasn't expecting that one. It's right here. Some Milner Heritage.
Yep.
I don't know, somewhere in, I don't know where we are. So we're having wines. Wine time is a happy time. And she copied me, so we pretty much got the same exact ones.
We're in Kimball.
Wherever we are.
There you go. See? Kimball.
So there's a little wine. I don't know if you can see that or not, but is that a cat? Oh, they have cats here.
It's a little kitten. Oh,
right, get it.
It wants to come home with us.
No. Little waterfall over there. Pretty little cute place. I think we found a new friend we're bringing home if she can kidnap it somehow. Who the hell frickin' ends up with a cat at a winery? Only this one. Great.
It's so cute.
Have fun changing the litter box. Wow.
It's just purring.
Try it on for size.
That's kind of low.
Try it on.
Oh, I got four pants on.
Wow. Okay, it's a Yamaha Bolt. You can touch. Try the controls now. You don't like it?
No.
Really?
I don't like the seat.
Wow. This one? It's a 650. No, that'd be a good size. Try it out. Throw a leg over it. You can handle a 650.
I can.
You can handle a 650.
Yeah. That wouldn't be bad.
No, it's a good size. Okay, it's a couple days later, and well, minutes for you guys, but a couple days for me. But yeah, me and Jen had a little bit. We had some fun on our little adventures of Minnesota. Since we're not going to Sturgis this year, so I hope you all enjoy Sturgis, and please definitely be safe out there, because I want you all watching my videos. So hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go to give it a like, subscribe, and hit the ding dong diddle. You know what to do. Anyways, if you want more videos like this one, there'll probably be one right here and right here. So until the next video, we'll see you later.